video. If today's happens to be your first time watching my video, I welcome you and thank you for choosing this video. Today's video, I'll take you through how you'll be able to grow your Facebook page organically. Now, first thing first, what you need is that you must have a Facebook page. Now, after getting the Facebook page, sometimes you need to follow some people in order to get people to also hold following. But this time, what you have to do is that whenever you are following any person on using your page, you have to make sure that the person that you are following is related to the content that you are creating. So for example, if you are into entertainment industry, if you are into entertainment or you are into tech, you have to make sure that you subscribe or you follow all the big men or the big pages around your niche, those who are doing the same thing related to your niche. This is very important because your page is going to be recommended to other people who also follow the same person that you are following. So the best strategy to do is to make sure that you follow other people who are doing the same thing as you are also doing. You don't have to just follow them just like that. You just have to engage with their content. So whenever they post videos, what you have to do is that just go and then engage with their content, write comments about what they are posting, and then you have to also add them to your favorite. Okay, so by going by this one, Facebook will know that you are interested in this content, so they will be also recommending the content that you are also creating to these people who are also interested in what you are also doing. The next thing that you need to do is that you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent means that you have to come out with content every day. You have to make sure that you come out with many content, you create many content every day, so that Facebook will push your content to other people, because the more content that you have, the more people are going to discover your content, and through that they are going to follow your pages. So these are some of the ways that you can apply if you are starting a Facebook page to help you grow your Facebook page fast.